This is the RYOBI USB Lithium Foam Cutter Assembly and Installation Guide. Today I'm going to walk you through more information on the USB Lithium Foam Cutter and each specific tip. The USB Lithium Foam Cutter will be packaged in a blow-molded case, where everything has its set place for optimal organization. The tool in each tip can stand up securely in the case for easy access while in use on any project. This is the hot wire tip. This tip is used to carve, slice, cut, and shape your foam. Some great places to use this tip will be on upholstery foam when upcycling furniture, cutting insulation foam to fit perfectly in your home, or shaping styrofoam for a DIY project. Replacing the wire on this tip is very easy. You will want to replace this wire if it ever breaks or loses tension, which is normal after extended use over time. Replacement wire is available on thehomedepot.com. This is the holing tip. The entirety of this shaft will get hot to allow for a variety of applications like cutting out different shapes or hole digging into styrofoam. This is the engraving tip. Only the tip of this shaft will get hot. This will allow for more detailed engravings into your project to add texture or detailed designs. Make sure to check out our additional accessory kit on HomeDepot.com to complete your foam cutting set. This accessory kit includes a blade tip and a scooping tip. The blade tip is for cutting out your link foam for all your RYOBI tools, while the scooping tip is for adding depth or dimension to your project. This product also has the capability for hands-free use when paired with the RYOBI Hobby Station. Simply secure the tool, dock it in, and use as a stationary workstation for your project. You then have the ability to work your material around the tool. Have any additional questions? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579 or visit ryobitools.com.